guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Love and Good. I have a good news for you about set up our Facebook account page. So let's see the video about it. First thing you have to do is we have to go into the Google to search OBS. If you don't have an OBS, then you have to go and download an OBS so our live stream will be uploaded properly. Okay, once it's done, then we'll go into our Facebook account. This is my page. Check down here the live. We will press the live into our Facebook page. So I will press the don't allow the connect because I have to upload my video. So we will go into the right side. This is my Facebook page name. Then down I will write any type of title about of my video. For example, sport. If you want to add some feeling, and this is our location. If you want to add location. And this one, if you want to another only few people who will watch your live stream. And this, the other one, your group. If you have a group, then you will tag here. This is my group, and I will tag. Down here, you have to write again your title. We will go back and open our OBS that we've uploaded before. So we will press this add, and I will write a Facebook 28. Okay, once it's done, then we will do okay. I will go into another one and I will press a media source. Then okay guys, and here is the browse. It's empty, so I will press it. Then you will choose any type of video that you want to upload into your Facebook page live. I will choose this one, Adele. Okay, then look, it's changed. Now I have to make it smaller because it's little bit bigger size. So we will go into the setting. We press the setting, guys, and here the stream. We go on service, then we will check the Facebook live. Down here, default, and the other one, the stream key. So I will go into my Facebook page, will copy the stream key, then we will go back into OBS and tag above here. Once it's done, we will click the apply and then OK. Now we press the start recording. So down here, guys, look, it became green color, which means that our live stream starting. Look above here, there is live, the time of your live stream. If you want to end your live, then you will go down and press the end live video, and you will stop your live stream. And you will go back into your OBS, then you will press the stop streaming. So the OBS studio, it got disconnected. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Then I hope my advice will be helpful whenever you upload any type of live stream into your Facebook account page. Please follow me in my Facebook if you are not my friend. Also, if you're not subscribed, then please subscribe, because every single week I make a new topic for you, a new fun and a new advice. See you next week.